There's a belief and a feeling in the camp that's been generated. So wherever players come in, they're stepping up to the plate, and that's important that we've got that depth and belief in the whole group, the staff, the players. With the Welsh public being behind us 100%, they need to see a committed group of players showing as much passion as they've got, and if they get that, they're happy. Carlo Ancelotti's been fantastic. We couldn't have asked for any more from him, really. And Madrid. There's always transparency. They know exactly what we do with Gareth when we've got him. Everything's written down in detail, and we do the same for every player. So you can build up the trust then with the clubs, and that's what you need to do. The games nowadays are very fast, quite physical. It's training every day. But as much as we can, we work hard with the players to look after them and send them back fit. In the last campaign, when we see all the Welsh fans there, and they were fantastic on the night, and when we got the result, we got a point, we scored late on, the reaction was incredible. We got a huge support going, huge Welsh contingency going to Brussels. We're going there this time in this campaign. Things are slightly different. All to play for. A lot of points to play for. Look, if we win the game, doesn't mean we're going to qualify, and if we lose, it doesn't mean we won't. It's just another step that we can take in the right direction, and it's another statement of intent from us that we need to show our supporters, hey, we believe that this is our time. We can perform against the best teams like Belgium. Anything they get from us, they're going to have to work mighty hard for, and just give our supporters something to be proud of. We've done it in the last 2 or 3 games, and we need to continue that.